A lot of people know the myth of Elvis more than they know much about the person or the music itself. What I think is really exciting about the Elvis story is that underneath that story of jumpsuits in Las Vegas and celebrity struggle is the story of a revolutionary sound.
Layered Reality makes shows that really deliver on the name of our company. We don't make traditional theatre, we don't make film, we make a new art form that sits somewhere in between. We can use immersive sound systems, which means you don't just have a set of speakers at the front, you've got sound all around you, and we can control that sound in very interesting ways. We can literally mimic the acoustics of different environments. We can take you on a real journey, which we have to do with Elvis because we're going to start back in his childhood.
It begins in the 1940s in the southern states of America, in Mississippi, where this boy living in extreme poverty soaks up this music coming from these cultures around the South. And he goes on to become a catalyst to something that completely changes popular culture. I think one of the things I've learned in this process, everyone has their Elvis Presley and what it means to them. We do not take lightly the responsibility to really deliver on something that is authentic and faithful for the fans.
We want to bring Elvis to the fans the way they've always wanted to see him. And that means really bringing together this layering of technology, everything from these amazing screens and audio technologies, but also through to the smells. We are layering all this together with live actors, with all the theatrical techniques that we have at our disposal. We're bringing together technologies and creative media in a way that's never been done. And that is massively exciting.
We can take you back to these spaces and let you experience them as if you had actually been there.
We all think we know him and we all think we know his music, but we don't. This show will show you Elvis.
We can let you feel what it was like to sit in that audience.
And it will show you in a way that you've never seen it before.